Good evening, everyone. I hope you are having good time. And today is a very special episode of Heal with Sonal because in this particular episode we are going to address one of the most common problem, which is anxiety and the anxious thoughts. So today's episode is specially name is a Strom to Stillness. So here we will be starting with our current anxious thought. We'll be starting with the drawing the anxious thought in the random manner, and we'll take it towards the stillness. So this episode is very useful, and it is it's the need of our also, as we all know it is so uncertain environment. So this episode is really going to help everyone, whoever is going through any sort of negative emotion such as anxiety, stress, fear, etc. So just tune with me because we'll discover a beautiful form of the art therapy, that is a neurographic art. So let's continue today's episode. So let me tune my camera. So we will be starting with our anxious thoughts cloud. So let's start it. So this is random line. Okay, now take it towards the, basically just represent that with the calming neurographic lines. You can start joining this. This entire cloud, whatever you want to join it, you can do this, because anyway we are going to color that with the darker shades. Listen the music and just accept it. It's anxious, you're stressful, anxious, fearful, whatever it is. So it gives a channel especially to express this. start with the our anxious thoughts only. So I'm going to select a darker shade, and I will be giving that representation cloudy, cloudy thoughts with this black. And it is okay to be anxious, and it is okay to be stressful, and we are normal human beings. Although I am anxious, but I don't want to continue with the same thoughts. I don't want to continue. So I want to move towards the stillness. More peaceful, more calm. So this activity is done, and you can repeat that many times, so that will help. So basically we try to represent our Strom is basically thoughts, especially it can be anxious, fearful, or being fearful, and we are moving towards the stillness at the right side of the this particular paper. So this exercise is especially for any uncertain times or the anxious time. You can use that. And let me set my camera. So basically, this is especially for the uncertain time, and as I told in my last episode also, practice makes, especially practicing the same technique again and again, it brings out best, especially for that exercise. So try it out and practice that, then you will see the differences, especially. And whenever you are doing this, try to express that, especially express in the sense where you can just repeat that as an affirmation in your mind, or you can speak also, but ensure you are sitting in the safe environment. So try this out and let me know the results. And it is very proven method, and it will really help you. So thank you so much for tuning with me today, and a special episode. And please do check out my link in bio and do register for my webinar. So bye bye, take care. I'll see you in my next episode. Bye bye.